Yo, yo, yo. So I got the wheels all painted. Those are all done. They're just at my work waiting, and they're gonna be drying for the next couple hours, and then I'm gonna take them back. But I got the plates for under the subframe to weld to cut, so I'll show you guys kind of what that's gonna be like, and then I'm gonna start welding it up. I'm gonna be waiting to drop the car before I finish completely on the rear exhaust, just so I know exactly where it's gonna be sitting, so I can make any adjustments before I make the final welds. But let's check out this subframe plate. Alright, side one is all done. I'm just gonna have to be painting that in a little bit too once I'm done with the other side, but let's get started. The other side's all welded up. Alright, so I got that side welded up. I'm all done with the welding portion until I get the exhaust where I want it, and then I'm going to continue welding that. I've been kind of cleaning up all the garage, organizing. I cleaned this back room that I've been doing a lot of welding in. It looks like I was never here, which is good. I organized the tools a little bit for them. Got everything put away. So now that I got all that done, I'm going to head to work, throw a bunch of trash away. I'm not going to pick up the wheels yet because I'm going to run home, grab a bite to eat. Then I'm going to pick up the wheels, make sure I have enough room in the truck, so I don't want them to get scratched or anything on the way here. And then I'm going to come back here, put the sway bar links in, along with the side skirts, and I'll be all good. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, as you can see, I just painted the subframe that I welded earlier, but the camera fell off the tripod and it broke my mic. Luckily nothing else broke. I'm going to let that dry a little bit, and then I am going to be painting it black over it, but that's the white's the only like Rust-Oleum primer I have for rust protection. So I have that, and then I'm just going to paint black over top of it. But I'm going to wait for that a little bit, and I'm going to adjust the coilovers just a touch. Alrighty, well, I can't really not reveal the wheels when I put them on, so here they are, they're gold. Okay, so I got the car behind me on the ground. I'm not gonna show you yet because you're gonna have to wait till next video. But we got a lot done in today's video. The car is about ready to drive. These next 3 days I'm gonna be adjusting the alignment, trying to get it in with an eye a little bit straighter, along with getting the exhaust finalized, welded. And I gotta like drill the fenders for the quick releases and just all that. So I do need to raise the driver's side about 1/8 of an inch to match with the passenger side, and I just need to keep it raised a little bit. But you'll see tomorrow, it's still super freaking low and it's still super ignorant. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out and have a good day. See you next video.